Many people think any soft fabric is good for nightwear, but that's one of the biggest mistakes beginners make. In this video, I will show you the exact fabric I use that give my nightwear a neat professional look and where to buy them. If you are serious about sewing quality or starting a nightwear business, watch this video until the end because every details matters. So hi to today's class. So in today's class, I'm going to be addressing some questions that have been asked based on the previous classes. So now the first question I have is, what is the name of the stripe material you use for the hand and the armhole? That's referring to our nightwear. So with me here, I'm going to show you the nightwear here, and I'm going to show you that is the neck and what we use for the armhole. Sorry, I'm not wearing the nightwear, but I'm going to use one as an example to show you. Okay. So in today's class, I'm going to be answering some questions that has been asked by my viewers. So thank you so much for those of you that are coming up with questions, and it really shows that you really like the videos I'm making, and I'm very grateful for that. So in today's class, I'm going to be answering the question number one, which is, what is the name of the stripe material you use for the hand and the armhole? So which means this right here, that what do I use for this, for the neck and the armhole? What do I use? Okay, with me here is a fabric, though this is the blue fabric. This fabric here is called rib fabric. You can make use of rib fabric or lycra fabric or cotton fabric, but it has to be a stretchy fabric. This is for the blue. So the white one, you are going to cut it. This is how the material is going to be. I'm just using this to show you so that you can identify a rib fabric. So this is the blue color and this is the white. So when you want to use this for this, you have to cut it. Sorry, I can't show you everything here on this video, but if you want to learn more and you want to go into the nightwear, please enroll in my class. So then you'll get the full details of how to go about it, how to cut, how to fully understand even the folding of the fabric, because there's a particular way we fold that we are getting this particular stripe this way, that to achieve this tiny and neat look. So that is one. And again, other question that I asked, like, what do you attach to your machine to make the binding of the stripe easy? What do I attach? Yes, what I attach on the machine is in two ways. If you have this cover stitch machine, the stripe, like this kind of the stripe, this tiny stripe, is in two ways. If you have this machine, then you can go ahead and use it. So this is a binder. There's a binder attached to the machine. You attach this binder attachment to the machine, then you insert your stripe on it, then you sew. Then when you are done, you can remove it, attach it. But if you do not have a cover stitch machine, there's no issue. So I'm going to show you achieve this tiny stripe with using your industrial straight sewing machine. So this other binder also is in different size. This is another binder. This is for the bigger one if you want the stripe to be big, but I do not have sample of that right now. So you either use this one, or you use, this is the one that I use. This is the current size that gives me this one in particular. So this is what gives me this size gave me this. So right now I'm going to show you how to also achieve this right now without a cover stitch machine. So it's very easy. So let me go to the straight sewing machine right now and show you. Okay, so now we are on our straight sewing machine. Remember, I've already explained that if you have a binder, if you have a taping machine, I've already showed you how to go about for the taping machine. But if you do not have a taping machine, that will not stop you from achieving that. So right here in my hand, these are binder for straight sewing machine. You can see that this is a straight sewing machine, 2 lion industrial sewing. So this is for if you want to buy it, you can go to where they are selling tailoring material and say you want to buy a binder, a binder for straight sewing machine. So they will give it to you. This is how it looks like. So it has 1, 2, 3. So this is the appliance that they're going to give you. So then when you after getting it, you have to fix it right here. So I'm going to show you how to fix it on the straight sewing machine, and for you to be able to achieve that stripe. So now let me show you how to change it. So I'm going to show you how to go about it. So first and foremost, we are going to remove this machine plate that comes with the machine. We are going to remove this first. So you just put your screw right here. So right now we are done removing all the screw, and we've done, and we've removed this sorry, I don't know their terms, I don't know the name, but you should be able to understand what I'm saying. This plate now, so just going to open here, and we're going to remove the plate. Remember that we've removed this screw that are here. We've removed the screw, so you bring it out. So I have to oil the machine. So after that, see the teeth, this teeth right here, we are going to remove the teeth. So let me remove the reeler that is inside here. So you see this teeth right here, we are going to remove it. So go in with our screwdriver. So you just screw it out this way. Just be patient with screwing it. So we are done removing it. So this teeth right here, we are going to remove it, and you are going to replace it with this teeth that comes with the binder. So this is the teeth, this teeth right here, this is the one that comes with this binder, and this one right here, this one that where the needle will be going in. This is the 3 things that comes with this one. So now let's replace this. So the positioning, you position it in such is easy. So just this way you position it, then you fix in the screw, you screw it back. We are fixing this teeth first before fixing this plate. So you screw it. So you screw it and make sure that it's tight. So you're screwing it back. So we are done. So right now we are going to place this in. So just the way the position is, so it will just automatically to fit into the teeth. So you can see the way it is. Then go ahead and replace the knot here. Go ahead and tighten the knot. Then you fix this. So let's go ahead and do that. Remember, we've done putting our this thing, we've tightened it, and we've fixed his own footer. We fit his own footer. So now we want to load it. So this is the camisole that we are going to sew. This is the front, this is the back. So you can see the two. We have the front, we have the back, and this is a matching stripe for it. Now what we are going to do, we are going to load this. Remember, this is using a straight sewing machine. So right now we are going to load it into this binder. So there is a particular measurement that you have to measure for you to get this stripe, but for all those full details you have to join the class for you to get those full details. Yes, you have to join the class. So this is how you are going to do. Okay, this is how the stripe is. Then you load it. You just have something this way, you just put it in. You have to use like a tiny broom, kind of just push it in. You can see, push it in, then from here you push it out. So so you can see when you insert the stripe, you will see that this side is bending, like folding. Like let me show you. For instance, this is like exactly this is what it's doing. that is folding it like this to give you this kind of a thing. You understand? This is the folding that this thing is doing. When you insert this stripe, you will see that folding that way. You see this and you see this, so that means that you inserted it very well. Then after that, you see the direction, the way the thing is going, so just put it in this way and you cross it this way to other side. Then this can be dangling. Please make sure that it's straight, it's not bending, it's not anything. So what after you've done here, you just bring it out. You can see that it's folding, it's already giving you that fold. You can see that it's already giving you that fold. So what you do, you just lift up the footer, move it to the back, just move it to the back, then you start pegging. So do not start immediately. Make sure that, so you can see that, you can see now that it has started giving us that. You can see how neat both the back and the front is. So right now we are going to insert our top. So what we are going to do, please, if you're a starter, you just want to start new, please, I will advise you to use a fabric that has both front and back, so that you'll be able to identify it. So this is what you are going to do. We are going to start with the neck, the right side. You are going to use the right side. The right side of the material is going to face up, while the wrong side is going to face down. Right side up, wrong side down. You start with the neck first. So this is what you are going to do. You are also going to load the neckline too. You just loading. Loading simply means that by pushing it in, you just push it in for it to be able to sew. So make sure that, for instance, now you see the way I'm sewing, you see that this place has already bent, the fabric has bent here. Make sure that it doesn't fold, and as you are sewing, you should be checking, because once the fabric is turned this way, is bent this way, you won't have a good result. Make sure that as you are sewing, you are checking that your fabric is this straight. You understand? So that's what you are doing. Then when you are done, you just cut it off, because this is the neck. Cut it off from here. Then you repeat. So now we'll pipe both our front and our back neckline. So we'll pipe them. What we are going to do now, we are going to take this armhole. So right here is the armhole. So we are going to start piping from this armhole right here. So you load it. You load it. So we are starting from the armhole. So we loaded it and we go. So remember, for the armhole is 6. So you are going to, like this extension, you are going to, that's for the hand. That's the stripe that will hold the hand. So this is 6, because this camisole is for the kids. So you make sure that you pipe to 6. So we have 6 already. So these are measurement for 6. Then you are now going to bring the front part. Remember, this is the back. So from the front part, we are now going to start from here. Remember, for the back, we start from the armhole, and this one we are starting from here. So you are going to insert it right here. So you are going to load it in like this. Then you sew. So the third question is, what is the name of the material used for the nightwear, and where can we get it? Yes, the name of the nightwear is called knit. So like this one now is knit, you can see it. So this one, we have it in different ways. We have the cotton one, we have the rip one. So just tell them that you need to buy either cotton knit, rip knit, So it has 100% it has 95% cotton, then 5% spandex. So this one, you can, when you get there, this is what I want to buy um nightwear material, or you just screenshot this and show them, or tell them that you want to buy cotton spandex, or call it polo, just like you want to buy polo. So but you have to know the exact place to go, because there are different places. Sorry, I don't have any of their contacts, but if you want me to get it for you, you are free. But I don't know how their contacts right now, so just let me know if you want me to get their contact, so I can place. I don't sell them, I also buy. But if you want me to get their contact, just comment, just tell me, that I can get their contact and place it there. So whenever you want to buy, you can place your order there, you buy. So we have them in different colors. We have them in different colors, in different design. Like this one now is one of them, and you can see it has Mickey Mouse design, you see. So we have this one that has love sign, different design, and they are all beautiful. We have them, and in different texture too, different texture, beautiful. And this material, let me kind of explain, is cool on the body, soft and sweet. I don't really know the English to use, but the material is very, very nice. It's cute. In fact, it's, I don't know, but it's very okay for nightwear. It's calm, cool. So you see, we have them in different design and also different color. You can see these ones too. So these ones are the ones that I've used, and they are stretchy, really, really stretchy. And see, they are very, very stretchy. See, like this one now, it has like a rib kind of design. You see, so this is rib. This one is rib mixed with cotton, so you can see, so I can help you. I can also help you to get them and deliver them to you. So this is all. So this is the material that you can get it. So I don't know, but I am in Lagos. I get them here in Lagos. I don't know if in your state, if they are selling the fabric, or other place that I know that where they are selling it. If you are not in Lagos, you can either get it in Aba, but I don't know of every other state. But you can make finding based on the area that you have. So these are just the material. You can screenshot them, and just show them. Just you can screenshot and show them. They have them. There are many. They have all different patterns and different designs. So you can get it in Lagos, or you can get it in Aba, any of the places. Then if you want me to get it to you and reveal it to you, then it's fine. So, and thank you so much, and please make sure that you subscribe. And if you want me to make any video on any item that you want me to do, please make sure that you drop with that, then I'll go ahead and make a video to explain, so that you get more. And also, if you want to ask any question, anything, you need a business idea, you have something that you want, you don't have something doing, and you want me to teach you, to put you through where to buy items, even if you are not in fashion, either you are into bag making, shoe making, anything you are doing at all, and you want me to put you through where you can get those fabrics, where you can get the material here in Lagos. So please make sure that you join my Telegram group. And joining the Telegram group, you have to pay a fee. There's a fee to pay for the class, so that you will have a membership, and then you can ask me any question that you want to ask, and any inquiry, anything at all that you want to know, then you can go ahead and ask me. Thank you so much, and make sure that you like this video and subscribe.